And today on What Would Jess Do, we tackle a situation close to this.
So what do you think? Should we have sex tonight?
Ugh. Sounds awful. I'm just really constipated. Do you really want to?
Well, now.
Shut up.
Woo! Shannon out of LA writes, Jess, my boyfriend is super sweet and we've been together for a while now, and I feel really bad even thinking this, but he's gotten boring in the bed. Not sure if he's less attracted to me or I'm just bored. Should I even bother telling him I want more? It's to the point where I would rather go to sleep. How do I tell him? Now, first, don't feel bad about questioning your thoughts about this. You know, studies have showed over and over that boredom in the bedroom may drive people to cheat, so here's what you want to do. Number one, come on, let's do this. Take charge, girl.
Right.
Suggest role playing. You want to switch up locations. You want to inspire him.
Inspire him.
Inspire him,
That's a
right?
good
That's the
one,
main
yes.
thing.
It's just
Okay.
that, you say you want to make a statement.
You want to make a statement. Let him know what time it is.
That's right.
Number two, you want to hint, and more hinting while getting your groove on. So you know the like this or right there. Yeah, you know what I mean. We'll skip.
Give him a roadmap.
Yeah. And number three, use technology. That smartphone was made for more than Facebooking.
It's got a
Text-
vibrate
yeah.
mode. Oh wait, no. That's
Wait.
not what we're talking about.
Shh. Text him scenarios, sexy text, sexy pictures. You know, nice stuff.
Yeah, give him a hint of what he can come home to.
Right? But you don't want to
Charles?
be too blunt, right, Charles? Because it'll mess with his ego too.
No, you
gotta
don't want to be
careful.
blunt. No, you want to be gentle.
Okay.
But
so-
all these suggestions are nice. I like this. Keep
Yeah.
it going. Keep it
So
going.
chica, that's what Jess would do. You want to hit the guy, take charge, and use technology to get that sex life back where it should be. Remember, part of the reason why things were so hot between you and him when you first got together was because you didn't know what to expect. So switch it up. Have fun. And do you have drama? Hit me up under the What Would Jess Do tab on the DBZ.com.